Singapore, on April 26th, executed a 46-year-old Indian origin man for drug trafficking offences under its harsh narcotics laws. The Singaporean government ignored last-minute pleas for clemency from Thangaraju Supaiya's family, human rights activists and the UN. Supaiya was convicted in 2018 for the offence of conspiring with two other men for smuggling 1 kg of cannabis into the country in the year 2013. What's unusual is that Supaiya himself never came into contact with the drugs consignment, but was linked to two other men involved in the crime through 2 phone numbers. He was sentenced to death by hanging. Singapore is one of the few countries where death sentence is fairly common. Last year, the country executed 11 people, all for non-violent drug offences. Thangaraju's execution was the first death sentence that was carried out in Singapore in the last 6 months. Human rights activists described the sentence as outrageous and unacceptable. Activists said the evidence against Thangaraju that linked him to the two others was largely circumstantial. It was also pointed out that Thangaraju did not have access to a lawyer when he was first questioned by authorities, and was denied access to a Tamil interpreter when the police took his statement. What is also shocking is that the two other men accused in the case, both of whom testified against Thangaraju, escaped the gallows. The first one pleaded guilty to trafficking 499.9 grams of the drug, that is just below the 500 grams limit that draws the death penalty. He got 23 years in prison and 15 lashes. The second one received a discharge not amounting to acquittal. Thangaraju was hanged after the last-minute appeal by his family to have his case reviewed was rejected by the court.